Do you have problems with fondant cracking? Or struggle to keep it fresh? If so, you will want to know how to keep fondant from drying out. The key to good fondant is keeping it from drying out while you are working with it, and this will make it much easier to work with. Though it can be tricky to work with, once you get the hang of it you can let your imagination run wild. What you will need to follow this tutorial. To keep your fondant from drying out, you will need vegetable shortening, plastic wrap, airtight container. Step-by-step directions on how to store fondant cake. Step 1. Prepare your fondant. Prepare your fondant for how you would like it to be stored. You can store it rolled out, cut into shapes, or rolled in a ball or log. Step 2. Prepare the plastic wrap. In order to prevent the fondant from drying or cracking, cover your plastic wrap with vegetable shortening. Spread a thin layer of the vegetable shortening across the entirety of one side of the plastic wrap, or apply directly to fondant. Step 3. Storing wrapped fondant cake in airtight container. Once your fondant is securely covered in the plastic wrap, place it in an airtight container, at room temperature in a cool, dark area. Its shelf life will be 3 months, without the need for refrigeration or freezing. Step 4. Applying fondant to cake. Once you are ready to use, roll out your ball or log of fondant. If your fondant is a bit hard, you can add an 1/8 teaspoon of water for every 24 ounces, or a small amount of vegetable shortening. Be sure not to add too much water, as it can become too elastic and lose flavor. If your fondant is a bit too soft, add confectioner's sugar or Gumtex powder to improve the consistency. Knead until it is thoroughly mixed. You should frost your cake with a layer of buttercream before applying the fondant to help keep it in place. Carefully add your rolled out fondant to your cake. Use a fondant smoother to smooth it out and gently pull and press the fondant on the sides to remove any creases. Add buttercream or fondant designs to your covered cake. Step 5. Storing decorated cake. Once your cake is decorated, store it covered at room temperature for up to 3 days. If it is hot and humid, store the cake in the fridge for up to a week. Cakes can also be covered in plastic wrap and put in the freezer for up to a year. Tips and tricks. To keep it soft and supple while working, apply vegetable shortening to your hands. It is also beneficial to dust your workstation with powdered sugar, vegetable shortening, or cornstarch to keep it from sticking. Since fondant is prone to picking up dirt and debris, make sure your work surface is clean and avoid wearing clothes that produce a lot of lint. If you notice cracks beginning to form, use vegetable shortening to fill them in. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.